I got started. For many years, after I retired from baseball, I wanted to get involved with something that represented me more than just hitting home runs. I wanted to be involved in children. I wanted to be involved in somebody's life that 10, 20, 30 years from now, they said, well, Hank Aaron, if it had not been for you, a foundation, that I couldn't be in this position. That's the thing I wanted to be involved in. The home run was something that I think that you saw it, you can look at the dictionary and understand. And so I was a little concerned. And when I retired from baseball, I didn't have any money in the foundation. I think we only had maybe $100,000 if we had that much. And we were trying to figure out a way that we needed to have some money. We needed to raise some money in order to help children. So what we did was, my wife, one day, we were flying on a plane and she decided that she wanted to have a birthday party for me. And this is a true story. We talked about it, and I said, well, how are you planning on doing this? She said, I'm planning on really bringing in some of the high rollers. I said, who's the high rollers? She said, Coca-Cola. And I'm thinking that she's going to invite Coca-Cola and some of the big people coming for the foundation and charge them maybe $1,000 or $5,000. She said, no, we're going to charge them $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 for a table of 10. I think I'm telling this halfway right. She may have said, I'm trying to, because she had me confused. I said, what? I said, wait a minute. I said, you can't do that. I said, if I'm going to have a birthday party, I want it to be successful. And so she decided, I said, anyhow, I said, okay, because she's been in fundraising all of her life. She worked for many years, worked with the United Negro College Fund, and she was one of the top fundraisers. So I said, well, I'm going to leave it up to you. You do what you want to do. So she decided that she was going to have this birthday party for me. And she invited the President of the United States of America. Now, I don't need to tell you, the President probably gets this all the time. It was Bill Clinton. He probably gets an invitation, all these every single day, come to my birthday party. And lo and behold, the night of the birthday, I'm fast forwarding a little bit. The night of the birthday party, we had, what was it, 1,400 people at my birthday party, including the President of the United States of America. And that night, I must say, that night, we raised a little over $1 million. That